morning, girls. I hope you all are fine, staying healthy, taking good care of yourself. Today, we are going to discuss last topic of chapter 2. You have to write the question and answers given at the back of your book in your notebooks. In case if you don't have notebook, you can mark the question and answers in your book. Fine. So, the last topic was web services. The first web service is video conferencing. Video conferencing can be considered as a phone call with pictures that allow multiple people sitting at geographical different locations to communicate with each other by exchanging videos and audios at the same time. Popular video conferencing applications are Skype, IMO, Adobe Connect. When a video conferencing is held for informal purpose, it is called a video call or a video chat. Advantages of video conferencing are: it has become easier to conduct meeting between the branches of a company that are situated far away. It is more economical means of communication as company can save travel and hotels cost. The meeting can be organized on short notice as people can participate from distant locations. Students present at different locations can attend the lectures and training through video conferencing. Hence, video conferencing increases the business productivity. Disadvantages of video conferencing are very reliable and fast. Internet connection is needed all the time to conduct video conferencing. The major difficulty associated with it is hardware, software, or network failure. It can disturb the flow of the meeting. High quality, dedicated network is needed for video conferencing. Sometimes it is very expensive to buy. The next service we are going to study is e-learning. E-learning means electronic learning. Microsoft Skype in the classroom services can be used to collaborate with other classrooms, connect with teachers. Microsoft Skype for Business formerly is called Lync, L-Y-N-C, Lync. It is video conferencing tool used to organize online professional meetings with up to 250 people at the same time. Some of the most popular e-learning tools are Moodle, eFront, Adobe Captivate, Audacity, Udemy, Articulture, Skillshare, etc. Advantages of e-learning are: it is cost-effective, e-learning is self-paced, consistent delivery, it is flexible, it is easy to update, interactive and hands-on, effectively manageable and easy to conduct training using e-learning. The disadvantages of e-learning are that there is no control, lack of practical skills, lack of interaction, lack of authenticity, dependence on technology, and health problem. The next service is EBanking. Many of you use EBanking nowadays. It stands for electronic banking. It is the way of performing bank transaction using the internet. If you want to perform e-learning, the steps are: number 1, open the website of the bank. Enter username and password. Do the appropriate transaction. Example of some e-banking websites are www.statebankofindia.com, www.pnbindia.com, www.hdfcbank.com. Of e-banking are of following types: internet banking, PC banking, and mobile banking. Advantages of internet banking are: it is simple to open and use an internet banking account. Number 2, It reduces the time to wait in the queue of the bank branch. Number 3, worldwide connectivity to the website of bank. Number 4, it is easier to keep a regular check on the account bank. The next service we are going to study today is e-shopping. It is also known as online shopping. The names of some popular online shopping sites are www.ebay.com, www.flipkart.com, www.myntra.com, www.hopshop18.com. E-shopping refers to buying and selling of goods online. Advantages of e-shopping are: it is a convenient way of shopping. Information and reviews about the product is easily available on EBanking. Price and selection of the product is available in e-shopping. The next advantage of e-shopping is it is a compulsive shopping. The disadvantages of e-shopping are that there is no interaction between the seller and the buyer. Security is a major issue in e-shopping. The cost of shopping, the shipping cost sometimes charged by the seller, is too much. It is sometimes very hassle to return the product. It becomes very difficult to return the product sometimes online. Many of the people come across online frauds. The next service is e-reservation. It means electronic reservation. It means making reservation or appointment for the service via the internet. Using reservation, we can also check the availability of seats in bus, train or aircrafts anytime, but can also reserve room, meeting halls or tables in restaurants and hotels. The advantages of e-reservation are: it can be accessible anywhere, cost cutting, it is commission free, quick system, change and cancellation can be done easily, customer reviews are there to make better choice, and it is safe and reliable way of doing reservation online. The next service we are going to study today is e-governance. It means electronic governance. It helps government to improve the efficiency of service delivery and the exchange of information, thus strengthening democracy. The interaction between various entities of the system is required to implement these systems. The interaction can be government to citizen, that include processing license application, registration of date of birth and death, tax and fee payment, and many more. Government to government, that is exchange of services within government organization or between two or more government departments. Number 3 is government to business. It provides services like payment of commercial taxes, applying for patent rights and trademarks. The advantages of e-governance are: expanded reach of government, high transparency between citizens and government, increased convenience. It becomes easy for the citizen to contact government officials or department, reduced corruption, and reduction in overall cost. The disadvantages of e-governance are: because of non-availability of internet services in rural and remote areas has made access to the government portal difficult. Lack of awareness among people about the services provided by e-governance. Despite providing a high level of security, the government portals are still vulnerable to cyber attacks, stealing and misuse of data by hackers. Next service is e-group. An e-group is a virtual meeting place for individual who shares the common interest. Though e-groups, we can share our views using members, polls, and also plans group event calendar. An e-group typically contains a discussion or message board where members can discuss topics of their choice. The best thing about e-group is that one can access it anytime and remain connected. The examples of e-groups are groups.yahoo.com, groups.google.com. The advantages of e-groups are, the best thing is that one can be connected whenever, anywhere, anytime. Second is, the discussion can be stored for a long time and can be revisited whenever required. It generally encourages the shy people to share their views about an event, idea, or an issue. The disadvantages of e-groups are, the participants of e-group community communicate based on text messages. No audio or video messages are sent in e-groups. Discussion in e-group is not live. As a large number of people are involved for e-groups, their different opinions may take the discussion to a different direction which is beyond the intended topic. The next topic for today is social networking. Yes, Facebook, Twitter, they are social networking sites that allow users to chat, post photos, and play games. These sites offer a safe, secure, and fun-filled way for people to connect, interact, and socialize on the internet. In this, user has to create a profile which contains information about them, create a list of users with whom they want to share connection. The advantages of social networking are, it is easier to connect. You can easily create new connection using social networking sites. Sometimes for business profession also, this social networking is used. Aids in criminal cases, and it spreads information faster. The disadvantages of social networking are cyberbullying, less real-life interaction, addiction, misleading information, misuse information, fake profiles, and mobile technology is a technology which is mainly used to communicate with your mobile devices. The popularity of mobile technology is due to the affordability and the range of services it provides, like voice calling, sending text messages, email, GPS, navigation. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It was first developed in Finland in December 1991. Some of the most popular mobile technology are SMS, that is short message services. It is also known as texting. It is a quick and convenient way to send short messages on mobile devices. Second is MMS, that is multimedia messaging services. It is upgrading messaging service. You can include multimedia contents like pictures, audios, and video file along with messages and send them through your mobile devices. The third mobile technology is a 3G. Here G stands for a generation of mobile technology. It is the third generation of wireless mobile technology which made web browsing an enjoyable experience on mobile. The third generation was introduced in 1998. 3G is an upgradation of 2G and 2.5G network with faster internet speed. It provides transmission rate up to 2 Mbps. Mbps means megabits per second, and Gbps means gigabits per second. 1 Gbps is equal to 1000 Mbps. Next is a 4G. It is the fourth generation of wireless communication which is a successor of 2G and 3G family of standard. It provides expanded multimedia services at any time and anywhere as per a user's requirement with high security and high speed. Fifth generation. This technology refers to fifth generation of wireless mobile technology, which started in late 2010. The 5G provides large broadcasting of data with high speed in Gbps. This technology offers fastest data transmission than that of the previous generation, and it supports HD, that is high definition quality of pictures, interactive multimedia and streaming audio or video files. It is more attractive and effective. So girls, this is an end of chapter 2, Internet Services. In the next class, I will be starting the next chapter of HTML, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Till then, keep studying, keep revising. Thank you.